Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, so let's have a bit of a recap what we have been doing in our previous few videos. Uh, it's a series of uh, videos in which we are developing the sale order entry form stage by stage. Okay, so there are two things in which we have to do our work parallel. That is, one is the new order when it is as a default in a new order entry mode, and if you select any existing order, say 37, then it is going to display you the existing order details, right? Okay. So in the new order, uh, we we have done this much that we close it, and when we click on the new order, right? This is a new order mode, and without changing it, this is the new order number, and you have to select the sales person and then the customer, for example, and you have this customer specific information already filled in the shipment, right? And now you can enter your new order line items, right? So to enter the line item, you are going to click the product. For example, you take first product. This is the order which is being placed by this customer. Okay, and we also add another item. We also add another item. Say this. Okay, can make as many or line items as the customer has desired. Now the quantities which are provided by this customer, which are required by the customer. So let's say 10 packs here, 10 packs here, 10 packs here, okay, and say 15 packs here. Okay, okay. So this is so all you need to do is now the rest of all the information is already picked up. You don't need to enter any these things because these are being picked up directly from the data from tables, right? Okay, what if you want to give a discount to this customer? So you are taking $180 for this part of the order, and you want to give him a $5 discount in here, for example, press enter, right? So it should automatically adjust the total price, right? And here, for example, you want to give, say, $10 discount, okay? Say previously it was taking 100, so $90 is the total price. And here you want to give, say, $20 non, and so for example, say $5 here. Okay, so you get that much discount in here, and yeah, this is 15 quantity. Yeah, so the 320. You want to waive off, say, $1.25, $1.25 here. Okay, so you are getting the total price already worked out, right? So how we made it. So let's show you just a 2-line of code, which you have a few lines. You have to write a code in it so that this discount facility can be made available for the user who are entering the sale order. Okay, so how to do this? So let's close it and go to the developer tab and go to the Visual Basic. Yeah, you have this form in the Visual Basic. Okay, in Visual Basic, when you go to the form, you have this grid view. In this grid view, this is the place where you want to write the code. You enhance the code of this. Okay, so there are two events in which the codes are in. These are highlighted here. One is before row column change, and the other is after the cell change. Yeah, cell change is the right place where we would like this enhancement to be done. So this is the cell change event. Let's go to that. Right. In the cell change, you have a row and column, right? And the immediate window, it is always telling you what is the current active row and what is the current cell. So in the row, which is which you would you are working, and the column is the discount column in which you made a change somewhere. Okay, so it will check it out. So you have to write the code here if there is a change which is done in the discount, right? So let's go to there. Yeah, we were here, and in the form you have this. Yeah. So as the discount column, whenever it is changed, right? Discount column, and whenever it is changed, so this has to be served. That is where we want the code to be run. Okay, so let's go to the view code and go to the cell change. In the cell change here, you will see if the column is equal to 4, then you do not put a 0 in the discount. Otherwise, it was moving a 0, right? So if the change is made in the 0 discount, right? So it is going to work out the price. So the discount is if it is not blank, right? The discount is not blank, means it is something, okay? Then the discount is converted from text to the numeric. This is the way I convert the thing so that it can be used, the D can be used then in the calculation, right? So the $4 or $5, whatever you do there, so that is going to be used in the computation of the total amount, quantity into unit, that gives you the total amount minus the discount which you did here, the D, yeah. So that discount is subtracted into this, and the format is applied, right? The comma and currency formatter. So this is how it is done. Okay, so you have to decide it And this comes with your practice. When the more you do the practice of coding, then it will strike you a logical place where you want the new change to be made. And you means this you learn with the experience, and also the name is also telling. When the cell is changed, this event is more relevant, is more specific, with which to do the desired change. Our desired change is for the changes made in the discount, right? So discount is a cell. When the cell is changed, so it should trigger this event, in which we are first of all checking that what is the column of the current row. If it is the discount column, that is fourth column, right? Then we will see that if it is not a space, yeah, in the discount, we will say that if this is the fourth column, fourth column, you see, if this fourth column, that is the discount, is not equal to space, then get the variable value d, which is equal to whatever written the value in this cell, the fourth cell of this current row, multiply by 1. So that it becomes a computable thing and a value stored in a variable called d for discount, right? Later on, that discount is being deducted from the quantity multiplied by units, right? Unit price. Quantity multiplied by unit price. So unit price is being looked up from the product table, and the quantity is entered by the user, right? So this gives you some value minus this discount, and that is going to come as this order or amount, right? So this is how it is done. So let's do it again. If you want, you can do the practice, and then we can do the other part of the that is editing. In editing, already entered information should be picked up from the SO details, in where you have these information: the quantity, the unit price, the line item, and the discount, whatever you have done, right? So this is the amount, and we will use instead of percentage, we don't need this to be stored as a percentage. It should be a fixed amount of the line item, that what amount of the so we change it we make a change. This is a to a non a percentage item, right? So we make it a general, right? Yeah, that's right. This is right. So that you can give the fixed amount of the discount which you want to offer, right? Okay. So let's see it again. You are entering a new order, and this is the salesperson, this is the customer, and you start with this with the entering the whatever the products which are being ordered by the customer, right? And then you enter the entry the quantity 10, 15, sorry, This is 15. Yeah. This is 10. Okay. This is 20. Oh, no. Yeah, good. And then you can give the discount, for example, the $27 can be given to this person on this, for example. You can change it 27, okay. $27, big discount here given, 400, that's it. Okay, so this is how you are, you have managed to enter the details of the sale order with the discount as well, and discounts being rightly calculated in the total price. It becomes a part of the total price as well. Okay, now once it is complete, then we can click the update. If it is a new order, it is going to be entered and in the SO order and SO details, right? And if it is an existing order, it is going to be updated. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for joining us.